Hello, this is Mark from I Am Organic Gardening. Today is Tuesday, April 24th. I'm located in Zone 6B. I'm back out in my field number 1 where I planted 200 pounds of potatoes yesterday, 2 different varieties. And now today I'm going to be planting up these beautiful onion plants. I just received a shipment the other day, and the varieties in here are Patterson, Red Wing, and Walla Walla. And they're going to do very nicely for me. And we have everything set up so we're ready to start planting. So my next step here that I have already done is I just take a garden hose, which is about 75 feet long. I try to put it in a straight line as much as possible. It doesn't have to be exact. And then I just go right down the edge of the garden hose there and just push my onion plants in about every, say, 6 to 7 inches apart. I like to keep them further apart, just in case I have to weed around them that I'm not, hitting the bulb too much or else either. But I will come back after I have all the onion sets planted in, and I will cover the whole area with leaf mold on top, or leaf mulch. And this item you see on the left-hand side, that gray board there, that's an old, they call it a boogie board or a body board. It's a surfing board for my son when he was little, and I just use that as a knee pad when planting up the onions. Simple way to plant this is so easy. Since you have your garden hose here as a line, and the ground is fluffed up from the rototiller that only went down an inch, I just simply go like this. I just place them right in the ground, poke them in, tap it down a little bit, get it set against the line. Now, a lot of people say, well, that's too deep. Now, after this ground has settled for like maybe a week or two, I'll come back, and I can always, when the ground's wet, I can always readjust this. I can make it higher or lower, whatever I want to do to ensure that onion is perfect. And then about, as soon as the weeds start coming up around this area, then I'll come back with some leaf mold or leaves, chopped up leaves, and use it as a mulch and put it around them. I took a break right now so I can film this because the wind's starting to pick up and we're supposed to expect rain this afternoon. About 2/3 done, so pretty good shape. Things are looking very good. You can see that they're nice rows there. Each row is a different variety. And I want to thank you very much for watching today, and I'll keep you posted what we're doing tomorrow. It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, so I think we're going to be planting up some seed flats in the barn and put them into the greenhouse, or the portable greenhouse. I thank you very much for watching today's video. If you have any questions, leave them below, and I will see you in a day or so. Thanks.